Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you again how to cut worktops, but this time the male ones, male cuts. In my previous video that I made a week ago, I showed you how to cut this worktop. So this was the female cuts. Obviously we were using this template, the jig, worktop jig. Today I'm going to show you how to cut the male worktops, the male cuts. Basically this one slide into this one and this one slide into this one. So if you want to cut this worktop, you need to put the worktop, the surface up, the shiny surface up. If you want to cut this worktop, you have to put the worktop upside down and then make a cut. I always do 3 cuts every time, deeper and deeper in each worktop. To cut these 2 worktops, I'm gonna use just these 2 holes to fit the plastic plugs, so that we hold the template against the worktop edge, and then obviously we need to secure it with the clamps. Also in this video I'd like to show you how to cut the holes for the worktop connectors. In each worktop that you want to join, you need to cut these 3 holes exactly in the same position, then fit the worktop connectors and use the worktop sealant to join it together, usually with the color of the worktop. So let's start the job. here's our cutted worktops. So basically, when you join them together, there should be just no gaps or very little. Then you need to put these 3 bolts underneath and tighten it. So this worktop connector, you just place it underneath between these 2 worktops, and obviously use this drill bit, supply it with these connectors, and look what's happened. So it's much easier work with than in the old ones when you have to use a small spanner to tighten it. So then you just need a drill and this kind of drill bit. And obviously you need to use the worktop sealant and repair. You can buy with the matching color of your worktop, almost similar. This is like light brown. I don't know if it's gonna look okay, but anyway, I'm gonna use this one. So this, what you're gonna do, this is kind of glue. It sets very quick. So you just put some in the middle between these 2 worktops. Then when you tighten it, obviously the sealant is gonna come out on the surface. So you wait about 1-2 minutes and you're gonna clean it with the solvent cleaner. Supply it with this filler. So because I've got this stuff here, so I'm gonna put this bolt in this position underneath. So I'm gonna use this bit to tighten it from this side, which will be a bit harder because there's no space underneath for me to hide, but this is the only option. So let's put some filler between. Now let's put this up to the where it should be, and I'm gonna tighten it from underneath. So as you see, this stuff is coming out. Now we need to remove the excess, so we use the solvent cleaner. So this is how it looks, the joint. I don't know if you can see it, but this is going this way here. Almost invisible. And from underneath, I'm gonna show you from underneath how it looks, the bolts. So here, just see a little bit, maybe here more. That's the end of this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.